Hi again. In this video we're going to be looking at reverse percentages. So it's really important that we read the question, understand the information that we're being given. So the first one we're going to look at says 30% of players in the team are left-handed. 6 players are left-handed. How many players are in the team? So write down what they've told you. They've told you 30% of the players, which is 6 of the players. 30% of players in the team are left-handed. 6 players are left-handed. So let's write that down. So we know 30% equals 6 players. And we need to find out how many players are in the team. So we're going to use this information to take it up to 100%. So every time you're going to take it down to 1%, then you're going to take it back up to 100%. And remember, with the equations, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do exactly the same to the other side. So to go from here to here, to go from 30% to 1%, we've divided by 30. And to go from 1% to 100%, we multiply by 100. So we're just going to do exactly the same to this side of the equation. Divide by 30. The answer we get there, we're going to multiply by 100. And that will tell us how many people are in the team. So 6 divided by 30 is 0.2. So what we found there, 1% of the players equals 0.2. Then just simply multiply that by 100 to get an answer of 20. So there's 20 players in the team. 20 players in the team. And like I said, it's really important that you read the question and understand what the question is telling you. So let's try another one. Still reverse percentages. So in a sale, a table cost £32. This is a 20% reduction. What was the original price? So that sale price of £32 is a 20% reduction. So the person who bought this table has not paid 100%, they've paid 20% less. So 100% take away 20 is 80%. So that value there represents 80%. So let's write that down. 80% equals £32. And we're just going to do the same format. We're going to take it down to 1% and take it back up to 100% to get the original price. So each time, this is the important percentage to find. And each time you take it down to 1%, back up to 100%. And remember, because it's an equation, whatever you do to one side, you do the same to the other side. So to go from here to here, we divide by 80. To go from here to here, it's a multiplication of 100. So you do exactly the same to the other side. You're going to divide it by 80. Then you're going to multiply it by 100 to get the original price. So 32 divided by 80 is 0.4. Then multiply by 100 to get the original price of £40. So it's this first line here, this is the really important line. Then you'd always take it down to 1%, take it back up to 100%. So we'll just do one more of these. Jane has given a pay rise of 15%, so her money's gone up. Her pay per hour is now £8.97. What was her hourly rate of pay per hour before the increase? So she's given a pay rise, so her money went up by 15%. So she was no longer on the original amount 100%, she got an increase of 15%. So if you add that on, we can write down 115% equals this new rate of pay, £8.97. And like I said, this is the important line. You've got to get that percentage right, because from that point, all you're going to do is take it down to 1%, then back up to 100%. Remember, whatever you did on this side, you do exactly the same to the other side. So we're going to divide by 115 and then multiply back up to get the 100%. So £8.97 divided by 115 0.078, and I just simply multiply by 100 to get the 100%, £7.80. So before her pay rise, her hourly rate of pay was £7.80. Okay, do check out my previous videos on percentages, and I'll see you in the next video.